Hello, my name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. सो बेसिकली मैं पहले आपको इसके बारे में बता देता हूँ कि ये चैनल किसके लिए बनाया गया है. दिस इज़ फॉर अ गेट एस्पिरेंट जो बेसिकली गेट के लिए अपीयर होने वाले 2022 के लिए और आगे जो भी गेट के रिलेटेड हम स्टडीज़ करने वाले उसके लिए. सो बेसिकली आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम ईसी ब्रांच. ओके, सो ईसी ब्रांच. तो जो भी मैं नेटवर्क के कुछ किसी भी क्वेश्चंस लूँगा वो इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन के लिए काम आएगा. सो अदर देन लाइक मैकेनिकल, सिविल के लिए मोस्टली वो टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स इतने काम नहीं आएंगे. सो मैथ्स एंड एप्टीट्यूड जो लूँगा आगे मैं फ्यूचर में वो इन सब के लिए काम आ जाएगा. ऑल ब्रांच एलिजिबल हो जाएंगे. सो मैं पहला क्वेश्चन लेने जाना वो जो है नेटवर्क का बेस होगा. सो विल स्टार्ट दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है जो 2021 में अपीयर हुआ था. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद दी नेटवर्क फर्स्ट एंड देन विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. गेट 2021 का था. कंसिडर द टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क शोन इन द फिगर. बेसिकली हमको निकालना है द एडमिटेंस पैरामीटर in Siemens. Okay, so admittance parameter होता क्या है basically? This is the Y parameter. Okay, that we have to find out. This is like we have to write I1 comma I2 is a function of this is the Y parameters. Okay, so these two terms are independent variable. Okay, so these two are independent variable and I1 and I2 are dependent variable. Dependent on what? Dependent on V1 and V2. So let's find now admittance parameter. So this is like y11, y12, y21 and these are the parameters that we have to find out. Okay, so how to find out this y1? Okay, see this y1, that this term we have to make a 0, like, so that's why when v2 is equals to 0. This is how you can find out. Similar way when if v2 is 0, then similarly you can find out like y21 also, I2 by P1 when v2 is 0. This two term you can find out simultaneously when v2 is 0. Similarly I can find out now y12 is, that is I1 divided by this when v1 is equals to 0, I2 by v2 when v1 equal to 0. These are the two parameters. Like I can make a matrix of this y11, y12, y21, y22. This parameter is asked in the GATE exam. So this you need to find out. Okay, so let's start with the first term y1 निकालते हैं हम. Basically means this is when v2 is equal to 0 means it is called as a short circuit. Okay, these all are short circuit. Means that you have to make a short circuit voltage always a short circuit and current is open circuit. Okay, now first parameter I am finding y11 term first and y21. Okay, putting v2 is equals to 0. So now I can make a circuit, modified circuit. Okay, so this v1, I1. Now here in this case v2 is equals to 0. Now v2 is equals to 0 means 0 current, because 3 anything multiplied by 0 is 0 only. So this is current source will become 0 means open circuit. Now this is 1 ohm, this is also 1 ohm. Okay, and this is short, right? 0 volt means shorted to ground. Okay, this is I2 1. All the resistors in ohm. Okay, so I'm not writing here ohm because it makes congested. So this is clear. Now I can find out. Now see, this is volt 0, so here basically a 0 volt will appear. Okay, now we'll start with the first parameter, that is y11. Y1 basically required, this is I1 by V1. So what I can do, I can apply here a nodal analysis. Okay, node, this is like node A ले लेते हैं हम, यहाँ पे नोड ले लेते हैं B. ठीक है, now apply KCL over here. KCL at node A, KCL. So basically KCL is basically the sum of entering the currents and leaving is equals to leaving the currents. Okay, so basically this is I1 is entering and the voltage up here is V1. So V1 by 1, you all know about the, basically you need to understand the KCL and KVL thoroughly. Okay, then you can apply this all parameter cases and you can easily solve this. So plus this voltage is V1 minus here this 0 divided by 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे voltage 0 आ रहा है, that's why I wrote this. So I1 is V1. So this gives you 2V1. So I1 by V1 is 2. ठीक है, this is like I1 by V1, that's why it is mho, or you can also say or 2 Siemens. ठीक है, so basically आंसर आ गया y11 is equals to 2. Clear? Similarly you can find out y21 also. y21 भी निकाल लेते हैं हम, यहाँ पे ही हम लोग कर लेंगे, कैसे निकालना है देखो. Here you can apply यहाँ पे node at node B. At node B what you can apply same KCL apply करेंगे यहाँ पे. I2 is equals to 0. This is 0, yes, 0 minus here V1 आ जाएगा ना, because यहाँ पे पैरेलल में वोल्टेज इज सेम. माइनस V1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, 0 divided by 1. This is entering, so I wrote here all are leaving. So now I2 is minus V1, बाकी 0 है plus 0. So I2 by V1 is equals to minus V1 minus 1. So this is how you can find out. Basically this is the parameter y21. So here we have a modified circuit finding y12 and y22. Okay, keeping V1 equal to 0. So now I am finding, so again you have to use the KCL. Okay, here, so I am applying KCL at node A. Okay, so here this is the voltage 0, यहाँ पे मैंने ground कर दिया है short. Okay, so I1 is coming here is equals to, this is 0 volt because parallel to this, so 0 volt will come, 0 by 1 and plus 0 minus, this node is common. Okay, this node is common, so here you also can write this plus 3V2. Okay, sum of current entering, sum of current leaving is equals to sum of current leaving. Okay, so 0 minus V2 divided by this. Okay, now you have to solve this. Basically 0 minus V2, so 3V2 plus I1, so this is totally 4 plus, we want basically I1 by V2 term, so this will go there and minus 4 will come. Okay, so this is basically which parameter, this is y12 parameter. Now we are left with the last, that is node B पे हम KCL apply करेंगे. Okay, this voltage will appear exactly like this. So V2 minus 0 divided by 1 plus V2 by 1 and I is coming, that is equals to I2 is coming. Clear? This and this. So V2 plus V2 is equals to I2. So twice of V2 Now we want basically I2 by V2. This is called as. So similarly, this is called as Y2. So here we find all the terms parameters, like I can write here. Now Y matrix is equals to 2 minus 1, and this is like -4 and 2. Here you find out basically all the Y parameters. So here we completed the first question that is asked in GATE 2021. So if you require this more content regarding the handwritten notes, so please subscribe on this channel so we can deliver a good content regarding this. Okay, handwritten notes mostly student prefer that कि handwritten होना चाहिए, PDF सबको जल्दी पसंद नहीं आती है. So handwritten notes मैं हमेशा बनाया रखूँगा, जस्ट कैसे तुम्हारा रिस्पॉन्स आता है गेट चैनल पे. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस प्लीज़, ये कंटेंट आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो एंड सब्सक्राइब इट. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.